For the incline dumbbell bench press, this is a really simple exercise and a great way to target the upper pecs. The secret to success here is similar to all our bench pressing movements. We've got to keep that wrist and elbow nicely stacked throughout the movement. I've got a small arch in my back. I'm ensuring that I don't throw the chest up to the sky as I lower the dumbbells down, and I'm making sure I press equally on either hand. My feet are planted firmly into the ground. I'm pressing with the legs as I drive the dumbbells up, and I'm using that tension on the floor to create some extra power with my press.
Ryan's working on some shoulder mobility here. We've got them set up in a nice 90-90 position. Hips and shoulders are stacked on this kind of diagonal line. And then when we come around to the front here, we're making sure the wrist stays nice and chill and controlled. The elbow and the shoulder in a straight line. The shoulders are stacked. And Ryan's pressing down powerfully and then resisting back for a 10-second eccentric. So we're getting internal rotation on the press down and then external rotation as he fights it on the way back. Last one, buddy. So again, nice straight lines, moving nice and slowly, the wrist staying super chill, and we've got that nice 90-90 shape. Really good job, mate.